Hey everybody, what is up? We are back here for another video day. I am sorry it has been a while since we posted. Me and Zay have been packed with stuff. It's been 2 months since we did a vid. I was just checking our YouTube channel the other day. Our video was supposed to come out on Saturday, but that did not happen because I did not like the content I was going to upload, and Zay was very busy and he could not upload anything. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to get all the trophies in Bloxburg. So first, let's get in. Okay, we got a nice full server here. Okay, let's just go here. Okay, so first, if you want let's start out with the fitness trophy. So you'll need to go to training first, and I honestly cannot buy anything yet, so because I am kind of poor right now. So I will be right back when I get some money. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we are back and we got some money. So I was talking about the fitness trophy to start off with. So, like, you go in the training area and you see all these things. I do not think shooting the soccer ball will actually give you training, and skating does not give you training. Treadmill gives you training. The weightlifting bench does give you training skills up, and punching bag does. So you just go over here and punch the bag. And as you can see, my skill for athletic is already at 10, so I do not need to train anymore. And I am sorry if there's whining, guys. I'm with my puppy right now, so give him a little slack there. I have been training on a lot of my skills. Yeah. So that's that. And so the next skill is of intelligence. So you would need a book. You can just grab one of these out. Just gonna grab a cheap one out. Oh, I'm so stinky and dirty. And you just read a book. Reading a book is the only way to get your intelligence. So there's been a back and forth if a school is coming. Then it was confirmed that a school was coming. But a lot of people do not know when it is coming. It's supposed to come, I think it will come I thought it was going to come at the beginning of the school starting this year, because that would make sense, like back to school update, because school was starting. And there's teacher jobs that may be added in that update. And so the next one, let's see what the next one is. Painting. There is the only way to get your painting skill up. So let's go decorations and go to painting. You have to buy the painting stand. You cannot buy just this thing because it doesn't do anything. You have to have this kind or it will not work. And you just paint. And this is the only way to get your painting up. And as you can see, my painting is already at 10. If we go down, I like how Coeptus animated all these skills. Or I don't know if it was Froggy Hops or who. I think it was Coeptus, but I'm not sure. So yeah, let's see what's next. the 1 billion trophy, you had to be here for the 1 billion visits update and of the writing skill. Let's go to that. So you'll need a laptop. So let's go to electronics, and first let's get a table because we have to have a table. I'm just gonna get this big old table. I'm gonna get the laptop out of my inventory. That's for bloxburg. You cannot get this laptop unless you have bloxburg, and then I'm gonna get a cool old chair just to look cool. There we go. Let's make sure our bills are paid. Yep. So you would go to write a book. What? Does not say my. Says my bills are fine. Oh, there we go. Must just been a bug. You click on your laptop, then you click write a book, and see how you write. Oh God, am I invisible? If you scroll in, you just see that you're typing in random letters. It's not like you're writing any story or anything. And please get off my property, ma'am. Just gonna delete all that. And then they added these new trophies of, did we forget anything? I know the programming trophy has been of debatable for when it's coming. So let's see if I missed any. Let's go to my skills and just check really quick. Skills. Cooking. That skill is pretty easy. Just grab a stove out. Go to appliances, and here's all your stuff. Currently, I am not at level 10 for cooking. Yeah, I'm at level 7. That's just depressing. So, yeah, you can take ingredients or a quick meal. Let's see if I missed anything else. Music. Music is another skill I'm at level 10 on. So you would go to instruments. Let's just grab a small guitar out. And you cannot hear what I'm playing currently because I do not have where you guys can hear my audio. But if I did, the volume for Roblox is turned off. But that is a cool skill that I do like. Hey guys, I have trophies that I do not have. I will show you, and they are newly added. So I'll come back when I get to that page. Be right back. So guys, this was a mini update. It did not come in the update log. It was after the update that involved all this. I actually bought the swing set just so I didn't have to buy swings and all that. And so after that update, they put this update out. So the streak awards, if you had a streak of 7 days, you would get this award. I had this award. I just wanted to show you all of them without having to show you one, then go to this page. So, but if you left for 1 day and didn't get your streak for that day, then you would start over. 14-day streak, I'm on streak 9 currently. 30-day streak, The 30 visits trophy, you do not have to, you can miss a day, you just have to visit 30 days. 100 days, 365 days. So, yeah. And currently here are the new update leaks while we're on Coeptus of inventory, so pork chop raw. I honestly do not know what these are for. I'm guessing pork chops. Let's go back. Then close large, close medium, generate, what's that say? Polygon. Load, please. Then a plus. So leave your comments down in the description. Leave your comments down below and tell us what you think these are for. Okay, so let's get back into the game. Oh, and the gardening thing. I forgot about that. So basically there's a bunch of planters and plants and everything. I'm just gonna get this big one out. You have to water them and everything so they do not die. That was a part of the new update of orange tree. You can just plant that. I'm gonna just show you the animation. The sound animation, is pretty cool. When they added that thing, the water can, I wouldn't have thought it was where you could use it when you were watering your plants and you could do it whenever you want. But it was in the animation. Okay, but if you didn't want to do that, if you just want to like grow them automatically just for decoration, you can do that. See that orange tree? Here it is. Costs more than it is to plant it, but you can automatically harvest it. Does not matter if you buy it. So, that we're talking about. See, store oranges, harvest, sell, take orange. No, I think I'm hungry. I think I'm just gonna eat one of these yummy oranges. Just gonna sell that. Gonna delete that. Okay, so let me just check if there are any more skills. I did not show you. Gaming was another laptop one. See, crafting and programming have not been added to the game yet, but have been planned to come next. Okay, guys, well, I guess I will see you in the next video that will happen next weekend. One video per week unless they or me decide otherwise. I was supposed to be at baseball practice tonight, but I did not feel good. I'm feeling better after an hour and a half of a migraine. So, see you next time, guys. And I am sorry that Zay could not make it. He is working on a project. Okay, see you guys.